Hi, boys and girls. We're going to do our charts now together. Ready, everybody? How about I say the sound and you say the clue word? So I'll say O says in, and then you say shovel. Ready? O says in. A says in. C says in. A-U, in. A-W, in. E-A-E-N. E-A-in. E-A-A-N. I-E-E-N. Now I guess we'll carry on doing what we're doing. E-Y-E-N. E-Y-A-N. P-H-N. C-H-N. O-U-G-H-T says ought in. Careful. Good. A-U-G-H-T says ought in. G says j in. D-G-E, j in. Good job. And this is going to be our focus sound today. C-H says k in chorus. But before we get to that, let's do chart 12. All right. How about we'll do the same thing? I'll say the sound and you say the clue word. Ready? A says in. Asleep. Good for you. A-L, all in. Also. B-E-B in. Because. E-N, N in. Enjoy. U-N, un in. Unbutton. W-R, in. O-U-L-D, ud in. A-I-R, air in. Hair. U says in. Push. That comes from your tummy, that sound. O-U-G-H, off in. Enough. O-U, in. Country. A-R-R, air in. Airy, carry. I-R-E, ire in. Fire. Good job. So our focus sound today is C-H says k in chorus. Maybe can I hold it up? There we go. And boys and girls, did you notice that I put a C and a K underneath the special sound C-H? K. That's because that's the sound that C-H makes on the blue chart. Chart 11. On chart 8, the orange chart, C-H says ch, but now we're learning that C-H can say k, like in chorus. A small group of singers is called a chorus. See a word key in the word there? K, or, us, chorus. Good job. Okay, so what we're going to do is flip the card around and we're going to look for CH in all the words. There, I've got my marker handy. I see it here. CH, you say it with me. CH, 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 and CH. Now, let's go back and check if there are any other sounds. Oh, I see one here. ST, st. Now, what am I going to do with this? Ends in silent E. That makes this word did you get it? Bumper word. So E hops over the CH sound and bumps the A and makes it say its own name. Can you read that word? What does A say when it says its own name? A. Put it together and you get ache, like a headache or a stomach ache. Now be careful on this next word. It's a name because it starts with a capital. Be careful, that's not I-R-R. Okay, listen to how Mrs. Card's going to say this word. CH says k, R says k, cur, and this I is saying its own name. Iced, 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 Christ. We know who that is, don't we? Jesus Christ. Now, when you get to this word, you have to divide it into beats. And then that tells us that the E says ah, because this beat is ending in some consonants. And this beat is a vowel all on its own. So it's going to say its own name. Can you say the word with me? O. Echo. So let's read those words together. Ready? What's this? Ache, iced, echo. Good job. Now this word is a compound word. So we're going to read this word first and then this word next. Now I see another special sound in here. O, ooh in tooth. So let's say the word together. Sk, oool, school, school. And then here I see O-U, ow, and out. And then this E is silent. So, house, house, house. Put it together and you get school, school, house, schoolhouse. Good job. Now, what can I do with this word? Well, look, it ends in silent E. So I'm going to cross silent E out, make it hop over M, bump the first E, and make it say its own name. Like in school. Scheme. Scheme. A scheme is a sneaky plan. I made a scheme to take my brother's candy. You shouldn't do that though. Okay, now what are we going to do with this word? Be careful, this isn't or. This is cur, like in Christ. Cur, and look at that, it ends in silent E, so that means it's a bumper word. Silent E hops over M and makes the O say its own name. Chrome, chrome. You can have chrome on your bicycle or your car. It's the shiny metal. But you can also search for things on the computer in Google Chrome. Good job, everybody. Let's try those words. Ready? Schoolhouse, scheme, chrome. Good work. Okay, now watch today on your seat work. You're also going to need to remember our sight word, which is what? Can you say it? Girl. And remember, you're going to clap and snap. Girl. What does that spell? Girl. Good for you. Oh, and don't forget, since we've practiced our CH in chorus, go to your special sounds booklet. That looks like this, right? And you're going to Wednesday, April the 8th, and you're going to practice in chorus, and you're going to circle all the things that Mrs. Card did on her card. You do it too, and read the words to yourself. And then when you get to your seat work, Mrs. Card put it up here. What I wanted to remind you was, don't forget you're looking for INK ink here. And then, so circle INK ink, and then make sure you match the right word to the right picture. And then down here, don't forget, you have to mark all the vowels. And that's important to remember how to do. Because, okay, remember this is a mouse word, 2 vowels in the middle, bumper word, regular word. And you need to remember how to do that, because when you get to the other side, up here, and you have to read these words in order to name the picture, I don't want you to go to mommy and say, I don't know what this is, and then have her tell you the answer. I want you to read the words and figure out which one makes the most sense. Okay? Just remember your rules. If there's two vowels in the middle, the first one says its own name. If there's one vowel in the word, it's a regular word. So it says and then, oh, there's another regular word. Where can I find? Oh, here's a bumper word. If it's a bumper word, you're going to cross E out and make it be silent and hop over the consonants to make the first vowel say its own name. Today you get to write about balloons. Look at that, hot air balloons. So pick a color or two and then choose an action word. Balloons: rose, full oat, ed, floated, sailed, sailed, soared, soared. This is a good one. Drift, drifted, drifted. So choose one of those juicy action words to write a sentence about balloons. Okay? And then I also put up here really quick. Look at this. Today you get to write a color poem. Well, you don't have to do it today, but I was just going to show you it because it's under Wednesday's work. And it's a poem about color. So you pick a color. Mrs. Card chose yellow because that's my favorite. Yellow, yellow, yellow by Mrs. Card. And then how does my poem start? Repeat the title. Yellow, yellow, yellow. So you might choose red, 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 or pink, pink, pink. And then the next 3 lines in the poem are things that are that color. So start with a color word, like Mrs. Card did, yellow, like at, and then you have to think of something that's yellow. I thought of a happy face emoji. Then pick something else, yellow like the golden sun. See how I used golden to describe sun? Yellow like a juicy lemon. I could have just written lemon, but juicy makes it more interesting, doesn't it? And then you're going to finish by repeating the color words all over again. Yellow, yellow, yellow. So your page looks like that. So you put your color that you want to write about. Put your name because you're the author. Color, color, color. And then these 3 sentences, you have to start with the color word that you chose and then write something that is that color. And then repeat the color here. And then around the outside, I want you to decorate your poem page with pictures that you talked about in your poem, like I did. See? I drew a sun and 2 happy face emojis and a lemon. Okay, so that's what you need to do for that. And if you don't finish that today, you can do it another day. Okay, everybody? Bye-bye.